Imagine you have perfect images until they are resized. On smaller screens, details disappear, faces get cropped, your message loses impact. To solve this, we are introducing adaptive focus. Choose the focus of the image, the face, product, or detail that matters most. Set the focal point for an image, and every layout adapts automatically. Built mobile first, your content stays perfectly framed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. To do this on every place where you can upload a picture, you have the option to set the focal point. Inside the original image, you can choose, by moving the blue dot, which detail you want as a focus. Test it until you get the optimal focal point for all sizes. When everything looks good, choose Save to save the focal point. And you are ready to go. You have this option for all courses, programs, spaces, and items where you add images for the widgets. That's our new adaptive focus. Your images perfectly framed on every screen.